Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Spotify account to Discord so you can show what you're listening to in real time. This is a great feature if you love sharing music, discovering new tracks with friends, or simply letting others know what vibe you're on while chatting or gaming. By linking Spotify to Discord, your current song can appear directly on your profile and even in your status, making your activity more interactive and fun. Whether you're sharing your favorite tunes with friends on a server, coordinating music tastes in a community, or you just want to display your music activity for fun, this simple, step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know from start to finish. No technical experience is required, and the setup only takes a minute if you follow along carefully. First, open your Discord app and go to the bottom left corner to click on the gear icon to open user settings. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Connections on the left-hand menu. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any steps, because linking accounts requires proper permissions. Next, click on the Spotify logo under the Connections section. This will open a web browser where you'll need to log into your Spotify account. Once logged in, Discord will automatically link your Spotify account and show a confirmation that the connection was successful. You can then close the browser and return to Discord. You'll see your Spotify account listed under Connections, and this is where you can manage what's displayed. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you are logged into the correct Spotify account. Enable both options, Display on Profile and Display Spotify as your status, and ensure that Discord has the necessary permissions to update your activity. Doing this beforehand can save you time and prevent connection errors. Once you've completed these steps, start playing any song on Spotify. After that, go back to Discord and check your profile. You should now see your current track showing in your status. This works across servers too, so anyone who can view your profile can see what you're listening to. It's also a good idea to periodically check your connections settings to ensure everything is synced correctly and updated. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to connect Spotify to Discord and share your music activity easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching this Delph Stack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with friends who might want to show off their tunes too. Why not make someone's day easier?